You have a project where the space under the roof is not for living, but for storage or a technical room. You still would like to have some daylight and the possibility to get fresh air inside, or a convenient access to the roof. Or maybe it is a historical building renovation where a specific vision is required. VELUX Roof windows for cold rooms or uninhabited spaces are available as a separate folder in the VELUX ArchiCAD library. The name of the folder is Cold Room Windows. We start with the GVO that is set as a default product to start with. This is our classical roof window with curved top. It is a modern alternative to a traditional cast iron roof window. Made from maintenance-free polyurethane and aluminum. Comes complete with integrated flashing for easy installation and integrated roller blind for heat protection. The product size is 54 centimeters in width and 76 centimeters in height. The hinge is on top. Installation range is from 20 to 60 degrees. Next in the list is the GVK, a side-hung window, opens to the left or right depending on preferred use. Made from maintenance-free aluminum and polyurethane. Comes complete with integrated flashing and molded tread. The product is available in one size, 46 centimeters in width and 61 centimeters in height. Installation range is 20 to 65 degrees. GVT. It is a side-hung window, opens to the left or right depending on preferred use. Made from maintenance-free aluminum and black or red polyurethane. Comes complete with integrated flashing and molded tread. Installation range for GVT products is 20 to 65 degrees. The product variations are available in one size, 54 centimeters in width and 83 centimeters in height. VLT0000. This roof window is top-hung and has 3 ventilation positions. Made from maintenance-free black polyurethane and aluminum. Comes complete with integrated flashing. The product is available in one size, 46 centimeters in width and 61 centimeters in height. The hinge is on top. Installation range is 15 to 60 degrees. VLT1000. This type of cold room window has the biggest variety in sizes and opening types. It can be mounted either side-hung or top-hung depending on the variant. Side-hung variants can open to the left or right depending on preferred use. Comes with timber frame and integrated metal flashing. Available in 5 sizes. Installation range varies with the type of opening and is between 20 and 60 degrees. Presented last but first in the list is the GVR. It is a conservation roof window, top-hung and specially designed for preserved buildings. It has a better U-value than the rest of the cold room windows presented, but please consider the implementation in connection with the thermal requirements for your project. It comes in 2 sizes, 50 centimeters in width and 55 in height, or 50 centimeters in width and 80 centimeters in height. The product is available with exterior frame and flashing parts in copper or zinc for perfect integration in traditional roofs. The window is operated by means of a peg stay in the bottom sash with 3 possible ventilation positions. Installation range is 30 to 55 degrees. This was a short introduction on VELUX Solutions portfolio for cold rooms. Please, do not forget to set the market availability correctly in the model view options prior to specifying the desired product. In case of any questions related to the products and the VELUX library for ArchiCAD, please contact us under bim@velux.com.